Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
As part of the Diamond Jubilee celebrations of Sankardev College and in recognition of their relentless effort in fighting the COVID-19 virus, members of the Shillong Traffic Police, Shillong Municipal Board and Trained Nurses Association of India were felicitated by the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi's district, Isawanda Laloo, at a function held in the college premises on the 18th of August 2022. Also present during the event was the Superintendent of Police in charge of traffic, Sylvester Nongtynger, the Executive Engineer of the Shillong Municipal Board, B Chune, besides others. While speaking as chief guest, the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi's district, Isawanda Laloo, stressed on the need of the public to work together with the government authorities in easing traffic congestion in the city. At the same time, Laloo also lauded the efforts of the staff of the Shillong Municipal Board and trained nurses and also their readiness to perform their duties diligently, especially at a time when COVID-19 was at its peak.
I want to place on record from my side as well the appreciation I have for the Shillong Traffic Police. I think traffic has become a talking point everywhere we go. This morning, as soon as we stepped into the principal's chamber, that was, the first conversation we had. Anishi block So, it affects each and every one of us. It affects even SP sir and myself. And having said that, even as we are trying to come up with ways and means and solutions and putting our heads together and doing surveys and studies on the ground and putting our suggestions to government and hoping that both in the short term and the long term we will be able to come up with concrete solutions. Even as we say that, we know that on the ground, on a daily basis, the traffic personnel are braving the heat, are braving the rain, are braving the chaos and the frenzy of every day, and also the brickbats and the all sorts of perhaps comments and remarks from the general public, from commuters and from pedestrians on the road.